Hi guys, this is Julian from Partage. Partage is a shared utilities platform on the blockchain, and we aim to help owners or co-owners to share the access to their utilities. For the Near blockchain, we decided to build one blockchain-controlled smart lock. So this device is 100% open source, so anyone can build a smart lock, use our smart contract to allow Near users to send them a payment in order to receive a keyword that will open the gates to access some real-world utilities. So we'll demo you how it works. Basically, you will go on our website, which is lock.hellopartage.xyz, and here you will find first some slides deck with more information about our solution and the architecture. Then you will also have a demo, an updated one actually, and the contact form. Well, that's just basic stuff. Then you go and connect your wallet. This will allow you to connect your Near wallet. All right, unlock the wallet. Wait one sec. Okay, let's connect this wallet. All right, here we go. And then you'll see the booking calendar. You will fill down your details like, hey, booking the flat. And with a starting date, let's say, I don't know, 14th of September until the 20th. This gives you a price, 10 year per day, 6 days, so 16 year. You will click on buy. Okay, you validate. And after some time, it will give you an answer with the code. All right, your Partage PIN is 1234. Be careful to save it. And you will type it on the actual lock to open it. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, the lock is open. After some time, it will close automatically.